Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. And for today's recipe, it is a super simple but my absolute favorite salad, which is quinoa salad. Check out the video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 1 cup of quinoa. We're gonna wash and rinse it. Now add about 2 cups of water. Now we're gonna bring this to boil, and once it's fully boiled, we're gonna lower the heat and let it cook for 12 to 15 minutes covered with lid. Fully boiled, lower the heat, cover with lid, and let simmer for 12 to 15 minutes. After 12 to 15 minutes, take off from heat and let it stand for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna fluff it. Now we're gonna let it cool to room temperature before adding onions and whatnot. Now we're gonna slice a bunch of cilantro, fresh mushroom, and 1 red onion. For the mushroom, I like peeling the outer layer, so you kinda skin it. We're gonna add wild wonders as well. These are my favorite small tomatoes. They are sweet. I just love eating them almost every day. You can either slice them or add them whole or just half them. And then for the seasoning, for the dressing, it's up to you how you want to add whatever you want to add, but the simplest will be just lime juice. Then you just mix them. A little bit oil if you like olive oil or any other healthy oil, avocado oil. It's actually the simplest salad, and you can adjust it to your liking. As for me, this is 2 limes, freshly cracked black pepper, and I season it a little with vegeta powder.